What's up? Oh, hold on.
He turning the light on. It ain't gonna make it much better, but
Spotlight.
that didn't do nothing, child. But make me look even worse. Made my eyes look dead. Dead eyes. I got on clothes, so don't be looking like this.
I ain't got on nothing.
He would not be making a video naked.
I ain't got a damn thing on.
So we just got back from our, not today though, yesterday, from our Reno road trip. We went to Carson, well, we went to Reno and we went to Carson City, Nevada to our nephew's little baseball tournament. They didn't win. Womp, womp.
Yeah.
But they played really good. Yeah, they played really good. But I really, really wanted him to get that championship ring so bad. But it didn't happen. But he's only 9. So he got plenty of time to, because look like we going to be the baseball family. We going to be the baseball uncle and auntie.
It looks that way.
And we going to support him in everything he do. So
it looks that way.
He's got plenty of time, hopefully, to get his little... I hope it wasn't nothing in that can, because he knocked it over.
No, it was nothing.
Okay.
Ain't nothing but some limerita anyway.
Don't tell people we drinking. Yeah, I ain't even got him in there. Babe, you too far.
Huh?
Scoot over some.
Okay, I'm looking for that cat house thing.
He looking for some porn, as usual. Y'all know he...
He said as usual.
Y'all know he be on that phone looking for his porn.
He said as usual.
As usual.
Wow.
No, I'm just playing, because I don't want y'all to think my husband is... Because, you know, people on the internet, y'all take like, stuff
he's
serious.
Addicted. I know.
He addicted to porn. Why would she marry him if he was addicted to porn? My husband is not addicted to porn. I am just joking with him. He loves me. He don't need porn.
Oh, dude.
He got a wife. He don't need porn.
And she'll kick my ass.
Sure will. So... No, I do not. Don't make people think I abuse you. I do not abuse my husband. We do not have a violent relationship. We don't abuse each other. Because people be taking stuff on the internet hecka serious.
I know.
Be putting in comments, oh, do you and your husband really fight? No, we don't. I mean, nobody's asked me anything stupid like that. Plus, I ain't been getting no comments. Y'all don't like us no more? What is really going on? The only person that commented on my last video was Z. Hey girl, guess what? We passed right by Hobby Lobby and I did not stop because I was ready to go home at that point. I was so over that 90-degree weather.
It was thundering and lightning.
Thundering and lightning and acting all stupid and stuff. I was ready to go home. Forget Hobby Lobby. Take me back to Oakland. So we brought our bus back home. I didn't even get a chance to. We saw Hobby Lobby from the freeway and it looked like a really big one too. But I was like, I ain't trying to stop there. I want to get them souvenirs and get our butts on back to Oakland. And that's what we did. So the trip was nice. We had fun. I mean, we always have fun no matter what we do anyway. So that was the weekend. We left here Friday?
Thursday.
Thursday? We left here Thursday?
Thursday evening, I think.
Dang.
Did we?
We was gone Thursday.
Yeah, we left
Friday,
Thursday evening.
Saturday. And we came home Sunday. No wonder by the time we got back here, I was so tired.
We left Thursday night. Because remember, we had to find out how the situation was up there. What time his game was starting.
Oh, yeah,
his next game was early in the morning. So
we left it Thursday evening.
Yeah, got up there around
late.
Right around midnight.
So, we've been up there since Thursday. We got home yesterday. So, that's all I want to talk about. And Gizmo stayed home with my son. My son kept him this time instead of in boarding. And he acted a fool with my son.
Ain't that a shame?
And he know my son. And my son said when he, went to open the cage to feed him and let him out and stuff, Gizmo went off and got to growling and barking and
showing his booty,
showing his butt, and just acting ignorant and wouldn't eat. And
just ignorant.
Just bad little dog. Come here, Gizmo. Let me see if he'll come. Come here. Come say hi to the people, because I ain't seen you in a long time.
They ain't seen you.
Come closer,
That's what you
Poodle.
wanna say.
Look at the camera. Look over there.
Don't
Say
do him
hi,
like
people.
that. Don't do him like that.
I'm trying to get him to say hi.
He don't like. He do not like
Say
that.
hi, people. Hi,
Really?
people.
Run.
Like,
Run.
if she don't get away from me, he gone back. He like, I'm not trying to be talking to them people. I don't know them
He
people.
ain't tripping.
Yeah, because he don't like the people that he knows. So, you know he ain't gonna like y'all.
Ooh.
He got all.
Shut y'all down. You know he ain't gonna like y'all.
You know he ain't gonna like y'all. He don't know y'all. He didn't even like my son. And my son was the one that gave me Gizmo. Gizmo, like, I don't care. I don't want him coming all up in my house. Where's my mom and daddy? Gizmo crazy. Say something, baby.
Something.
Oh, yeah. You heard it from him? He said something. Well, it's 9:25 p.m. I'm going to take my bath and probably get in the bed. We went to the lake, but we didn't leave here with intentions to walk the lake. We didn't even leave here with intentions to go to the lake. We left here with intentions to go to Home Depot to find something for Babe, and then I wanted to go to the lake. And when we get to the lake, I saw on Instagram where my grandbaby's cousin was walking the lake, and I left her a message and said, "Oh, we at the lake too." And then we get a phone call, and it's my grandbaby's mama saying, "Where y'all at, Granny?" And so we got a chance to see Amani. They found us. I wasn't getting no Mercado. We sitting there eating McDonald's and everybody else exercising. But we're about to get back on the grind for real, because I've gained weight, and I don't think Babe has really gained a lot, as much weight as me. Look at my little face. Just a chubby. So, I gotta... Don't get married. Because if you get married, you're going to gain weight. I'm telling you now. You get married, you get comfortable. You want to feed your husband, and then you gain weight. So don't do it. Anybody out there thinking about getting married, don't do it. I done gained 30 pounds since December. So don't get married.
She said, just don't get married.
Just don't do it. No, I'm just
Don't get
playing.
married.
Y'all get married. Get married, get fat and happy like me. I'm rambling. So I'm going to go. And we're going to be more consistent with our videos. When we go places, we going to make some interesting videos, right?
Sure. Trust me. Trust us.
We going to try anyway. All right. Y'all comment on my videos so let me know at least y'all watching. God, do something. Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye, y'all.